In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove local files from Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner for your profile picture. Click it, then select Settings. You can also access settings by clicking the gear icon if it appears on your screen. Both options will take you to the same place. In Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Local Files. This is where Spotify manages the music it detects on your computer. Look for the switch called Show Local Files. Turn this switch off. Once you turn it off, Spotify will stop scanning your computer for music files. It will also stop indexing new songs from your folders, and the Local Files section in your library will no longer display those tracks. Turning off Show Local Files does not delete any music from your computer. Your files will remain where they are. Spotify will simply stop showing them in the app. If you've already added local tracks to playlists, those entries may become unplayable or hidden, depending on how you view them, because Spotify no longer has access to those file sources. If you want to remove local files from specific folders instead, you can adjust the folder sources individually. Stay in the Local Files section and look below Show Local Files for the list of folder sources that were previously added or detected. These may include folders such as downloads or music. From this list, uncheck or remove the specific folders you no longer want Spotify to scan. You can leave other folders selected if you want Spotify to continue checking them. This folder adjustment is optional. If you only want to remove local files from certain locations, use the folder list to narrow down which folders Spotify scans. After making your changes, restart Spotify so everything refreshes properly. Close the app completely, then reopen it. When Spotify starts again, your library should reflect the changes you made. If you turned off Show Local Files, the local files should no longer appear. If you adjusted individual folders instead, Spotify should show only the local files from the folders that remain selected. That's it. You've removed local files from Spotify without deleting the actual music files from your computer. Thank you for watching.